talking weirdly is because I got an expander in today and it hurts so bad and I can't eat it without getting it stuck in my top of my gums. And also, if I go like this in the video because it's just hard to talk. So here it is. I don't see. So we are going to be opening our new phone cases and Popsockets. So we each got a Popsocket and we each got a phone case.
This is my phone case right now, and I never had a Popsocket.
And this is my phone case, and I've had a Popsocket, but I have no clue where it is. And I also did an unboxing of my Popsocket, my first Popsocket. It'll be in the description below.
But before I get on to the video, the shout out of the day goes to...
And all social media, I'll just put it in
link in the description. And go check out our subscriber vlogs and go subscribe. That channel will be linked in the description.
So guess, go in the comments and guess what phone case we got. Either like an OtterBox phone case, a waterproof phone case, or a silicone phone case like Emily has, or a glitter phone case that like, you can turn upside down.
And comment down below what our theme's gonna be, because I have a theme for my phone.
And I have a theme for my phone.
So this is her phone case. This is, I think
this is Emma's phone case, and this is the Popsockets.
Let's open our phone cases first.
Okay. Mine's in this weird packaging, so it's easy to open mine. I think.
I have to use scissors.
Wait, I have scissors. I don't want to cut it open.
Look how pretty!
Oh, that looks pretty.
It's in a packaging that you can keep your phone case in. It's so pretty. Oh, this is to clean my case.
It comes with a screen protector.
It comes with a screen protector and something to clean.
One.
It comes with my phone case comes with a screen protector and something to clean.
Oh, wait.
Comes with some phone. Oh,
No,
that's
it's not my phone case at all.
That's not her phone case. It's the glitter. My phone case is so pretty.
Put it on your phone. That looks cool. So my phone case does not come. It was just a screen protector that we ordered. So too bad.
It's still for her phone.
At the end of the video, there'll be the clip when my phone case actually comes, which is on Friday.
So my phone is pink.
Oh, you haven't snapped it in.
Whoa, look how pretty it looks. The pink. You might already know what my theme is.
But we still don't have Popsockets, so.
I love my phone. It feels so weird. Let me feel it. The phone case is so thick.
You can feel the
Glitter?
yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna open our Popsockets, and I'm gonna open this one since mine didn't come.
Well, her phone case didn't come. I'm very excited.
Okay, let's see which one we grab first, mine or yours. Okay, they're together, so I guess we'll just take them out together. Mine is gold lips.
Mine looks so pretty. And mine is blue sand and pink ocean.
Her theme was cotton candy, and my theme was gold.
Comment down below if you got it right. I'm gonna open it so bad. I'm gonna put it on my phone.
Okay, where do you want it on the phone? Like right here? Where would we want it to go? Right there?
If I had it right here, it'd go like that. So I'm bad at putting things on that have stick.
Right there?
Yes. Push down.
Okay, try it. Is it off? Does it pop off?
It looks so pretty. I'm gonna put mine upside down so Popsocket kind of blocks the glitter, but now glitter comes down fast from the sides.
Like, can I feel it like if I was gonna do musically?
It looks so cool.
Like it's so small and so easy to do musically.
Let me see your Popsocket. And if my
I'm gonna do
screen
musically.
protector goes dirty, I have an extra one and I have something to clean.
Oh yeah, you didn't have a screen protector. What's your password? So here's my Popsocket up close. So we're gonna continue the video when mine comes, which is on Friday.
And if you guys are wondering how mine's cotton candy, this is like both colors, and my phone is pink with the blue, so it looks like cotton candy, pink and blue.
Okay, we'll see you guys on Friday. Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Okay guys, so it is Tuesday, and my phone case came. It was supposed to come on Friday, but it didn't even ship on Friday. It shipped yesterday at night when we were at Emily's gymnastics. So it's here finally, but I know it's my phone case because I opened it a little bit, but it's in another packaging, in this black packaging, and it's in the inside, so I can't really see it, and I'm not gonna look at it. So here it is. Is it pretty?
Sí, pero no tiene el agua dentro. Mandaron un email.
Yes, it did. Oh, they don't have the agua dentro? Oh, I'm okay with that. Oh, and I'm gonna put my pops. Oh, look, it has diamonds all over it. It's plastic, but it doesn't have water. It's just like that. So I'm gonna take it off of my phone case that I have on right now, and I'm gonna put it on the new one. It's gonna fit. It's gonna fit. Not really like bending. So I was like, oh, there it is. It's so thick. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my Popsocket on it. It's like so holographic. So I'm gonna see where I want it. I usually put my it's right there. So I'm gonna take the clear packaging off of the back and, okay, wait. Right there. Is it in the middle? Guess so. It's on. Yay! Finally, I have my phone case. But like the cool thing is, look, it has like diamonds all over the sides. Like if it had water in it, it'd be much better. Cause like it's like there's air in it. So like if you can hear it. But I like my Popsocket. Now I can do it. Musically's good. And I'm really hot because the air is like the fan's off. And I'm in a jacket and I just got back from school and I'm really, really, really hot. Okay guys, so bye guys. Wait, okay guys, so okay. Okay, bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Emily's phone case also looks so pretty. She's been loving it and I haven't had mine and I finally have it. But the only like bad thing about it is there's no water in it. So my mom got a message that it wasn't gonna have water in it because it's now illegal. Cause what? I don't know, but like it's now illegal to have it, but Emily's has it, so I don't understand it. So it's just like glitter in it. And it's like hollow and gold and I love my Popsocket. Bye.